No.
Hi there, it's Daniel Gossage from theworldofim.com. PLR Monster is an absolutely monstrous, super high quality PLR package that comes with everything to make them work. You'll be getting the full PLR rights to the high quality ebooks that have been professionally written, complete with sales pages, custom squeeze pages, fully editable PSD source files, editable Word docs, loads of high quality eye-catching graphics, even 3D and physical images are included, and top-notch training that will show you how to use this massive pack to profit from. I'll also be including my super bonus pack that will make you even more money online in so many different ways. All of my powerful bonuses will be waiting for you in the download area when you pick up PLR Monster through my bonus page today, which you should check out by clicking on that link that's down there in the description below this video. These high quality PLR products cost over $1,000 each to create, so you'll be getting a massive deal while they're on an introductory Halloween launch. When the launch is over on Sunday 3rd of November, the price will be rising to $999. So if you don't grab these quick enough, that is how much they'll be costing you. If you want an absolutely load of high quality products that you can add your name and your branding to, this monster package is for you. Everything is included. You'll be getting a load of highly targeted squeeze pages that will build your highly targeted lists, complete with powerful lead magnets that are waiting to suck your visitors onto your lists, and then emails that are all congruent with your free offers and enticing your new lists to purchase the full product from you. So if you want 99 businesses in a box that are ready to go to work for you, simply add your email series to your autoresponder, then add your autoresponder code and your payment buttons to the pages, upload them, and that's it. Your $99,000 business will be up and running, building your list and making you money. So if you want to get this without having to pay the $99,000 to create these products, or the full asking price of $919, you really do need to take action now before Sunday the 3rd of November. The introductory launch giveaway price is set at $99. It's a massively monstrous deal. Then we have the OTOs, which are one-time offer number one. It's access to the PLR Club at a very low price of $9.95 per month. OTO 2, that's $19.95. Then OTO 3 is the high quality training course priced at $497. Not only is it a massive deal, you'll also be getting my mega bonus deal that is going to make sure that you get the very best out of PLR Monster. My bonuses will be waiting for you in the download area when you pick up PLR Monster through my bonus page today, which you should check out by clicking on that link that's down there in the description below this video. So make sure to check everything out and make sure to check the bonuses out, and I hope to see you soon. Take care for now.